Hey there folks, just a quick update on Sigmon's used cars from FOS scale models. Sorry I didn't show the bracing and stuff and cutting it out and all that good things. My camera holder broke at the base, so I gotta figure something out. But anywho, as you can see, this piece here has not been weathered yet, and I started weathering the other holes. This is the, I guess you'd call the, the office building. The garage is over there. Didn't start painting it yet, but you can see quite a big difference before, or yeah, I figure my way. Before weathering, and then first layer of weathering. There's still more layers and stuff. Got to do the doors and windows, obviously. Sorry for the shaky camera work again. The camera thing broke, so there we go. Work continues on it. Get that camera mount fixed or replaced, who knows. But yep, I just wanted to give a quick update. Later folks.